Next, let's talk about where you're gonna stand while you're observing. The tendency is to try to stand behind the provider and behind the patient to see what's going on. But honestly, you're not gonna see much from there. You'll get a much better view of what's going on if you stand at the patient's feet. So let's take a quick moment to show you these two positions. So just imagine there's a provider here and a patient in the yellow chair. So a lot of people will have a tendency to want to stand back here in order to watch. You're not going to see much, but if we come down here, you're going to have a much better learning experience, and you're going to be able to see inside the patient's mouth and see the provider and hear them better with what they're saying to the patient. Let's talk about just a few more things. One is the patient needs to be asked if you can stay. Your presence is not necessary for the provision of their care, so they don't have to agree. But a lot of people do welcome the opportunity to have somebody learn, and they'll let you stay. Please don't be offended if this person is not one of those and does want their privacy. The dental office can be a place of anxiety for a lot of people, and it's not you, it's them. So just give people space if they need it during their time here. If you're ever asked to leave, just go to a different operatory and see if that's a place that you can learn. Please don't spend too much time with one provider. There's a lot of great resources and team members that you can learn so much from while you're here. Take some time to learn from everybody. Watch and observe our sterilization techs and their process of making the instruments clean and safe for each patient. Spend some time with our dental assistants. Watch how they take x-rays, and we'll show you where to stand for that too. And then also talk to our hygienists. They are great at providing information about the mouth and oral health. And then I know you're gonna wanna see a couple procedures with the dentist. Just kind of spend about 1 to 2 patients of observing with each person and bounce around and make sure that you're learning from as many people as you can while you're here.